Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix your Snapchat web camera not working. Whether it's not detecting your camera, showing a black screen, or saying no device found, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If you are using a Google Chrome, as you may notice that it gives you a notification that you need to click the lock icon in the address bar. Allow your camera and microphone and reload the page. That's one way for you to be easily fix it. But if you don't have the Google Chrome, you are using a different browser, I want you to hover to the avatar or your profile icon, which it can be found at the top left corner. I want you to click the account settings. From here, you need to log out of your account first and log back in. That's two ways, because sometimes, the Snapchat permission is always been fixed when you logged out of your account. Now, that's method 2. Method 3 is involving your browser. Now, in my case, I am using a Brave browser. If you do, go to the horizontal menu on the top right corner, and I want you to click the settings. From here, I want you to hover to where it says privacy and security, and go to the site and shields settings. Because as you may notice, it says, I'm going to zoom that out for you guys. It says you can control what information sites can use, for example, location, pop-ups, and of course your camera. I want you to click on it and go to the recent activity, which is going to be Snapchat. All right. From here, as you may notice, I want you to hover to the camera section, and the camera is blocked. I want you to click the allow button. Make sure it's both applies for your camera and your microphone. After that, just refresh the page by pressing F5 if you're using Windows and see if your camera starts working. Go back to your Snapchat account. And basically, that's it for today's video. Now your Snapchat web camera should now be working perfectly. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.